In today's video, in my YouTube channel, I will show you a vibrant and gorgeous collection of Meenakari Baluchari sarees collection with silk mark tag. Starting with saree number 1, very beautiful deep black color. Just look at the beautiful golden resham work done in the border and the motif portion all over the saree. Beautiful fine Meenakari work with the resham weaving makes this saree look very gorgeous and beautiful. Now I will turn and show you the palla portion of this saree. Look at the beautiful Mahabharata theme in the palla portion. Look at the beautiful hand weaving done with the resham work, and this makes the saree look very gorgeous and very unique. Minute work is done and it depicts the story of Mahabharata all over the palla portion. I think all of you must agree that these Baluchari sarees are really a masterpiece and your wardrobe is really incomplete without a Baluchari saree from Bengal. Moving on to another gorgeous saree, saree number 2. Look at the beautiful color. Just look at the beautiful motifs and the border portion totally hand weaved with resham work and the beautiful Meenakari work all over the pallu portion, and the border portion makes this saree look very elegant and classy. Look at the beautiful postures of women which are depicted in the palla portion, and the Meenakari work in all these hand weaving works makes this saree look gorgeous. All these sarees are silk mark certified and you will be getting attached blouse piece running with the saree. Moving on to the third saree, saree number 3, very beautiful deep red or maroon color. Look at the beautiful golden resham work done in the motif and the border portion, and the beautiful Meenakari work makes this saree look very beautiful. Look at the palla portion. Here also the same design is there as the previous one. Postures of women in different poses are there which are depicted in the palla portion, and the Meenakari work makes this saree look elegant and very classy. If you wish to book any one of these sarees, just take a screenshot and send it to our booking number shown on the screen 9163407567. Moving on to saree number 4, very beautiful and sweet color. Look at the beautiful Meenakari work done in the motifs and the border portion, and the beautiful resham work which is done with golden color just makes this saree look very gorgeous. Look at the palla portion of the saree where tribal women and tribal men are dancing, and that is depicted in the palla portion. The various postures of tribal men and women and Radha Krishna tales are depicted in this particular saree. So the theme of the saree is very beautiful. Just look at the beautiful hand woven palla portion. Each one of these sarees have attached blouse piece running with the saree. Moving on to the next saree, very beautiful yellow color saree. Just look at the beautiful hand woven motifs and the border portion. Very beautiful palla portion. Now I will show it to you. The various tales from Mahabharata are depicted on the palla portion of this saree. Very beautiful hand woven work is there throughout the palla portion. Look at the tales of Mahabharata which are depicted in the palla portion. This saree is very elegant and traditional design is there in the Baluchari saree. Now I will show you the next saree, very beautiful color. Look at the beautiful motifs and the Meenakari work within these motifs, and this makes the saree look very gorgeous and very beautiful. Now I will show you the beautiful palla portion of this saree. Just look at the beautiful Meenakari work throughout the palla portion. Resham work is there in golden. Just look at the beautiful figurines which are depicted in the palla portion of the sarees. My dear viewers, if you all like this collection, just press the like button. Please share this video with your friends and family. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I will move to the next saree. Very beautiful dual tone color is there. Just look at the beautiful motifs and the border portion. I will show you the color combination is very beautiful. Now I will turn and show you the beautiful aanchal or the palla portion. Again tribal work is there. Tribal men and women are dancing. That is depicted in the palla portion. and also the tails of Radha and Krishna are depicted in one panel. The fabric of all these saris are premium Vishnupuri silk, and all these saris are silk mark certified. That means you will be getting an assurance of pure silk material. The sari is just wow. Moving on to the next sari, again a very beautiful red combination. Just look at the beautiful motifs and the beautiful border portion. Now I will turn and show you the beautiful palla portion also. This sari has a very beautiful palla portion because the meenakari work specially makes this sari look very vibrant and very gorgeous. Look at the beautiful hand weaving work done, and the meenakari work enhances the beauty of this particular sari. Look at the beautiful figurines, peacocks and the tails of Radha and Krishna which are depicted. The various tails of Radha and Krishna are depicted in this particular sari. Moving on to the next sari, again a very beautiful reddish color combination is there. Look at the beautiful motifs and the beautiful border portion. Now I will show you the palla portion of the sari. Just look at the beautiful meenakari work in the palla portion. My dear viewers, if you are like this video, please press the like button. Please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant update and notification. Please follow our Facebook page and don't forget to follow our Instagram page also. Thank you all for watching this video till the end. Have a nice day.